On 24th February 2021, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, laid the foundation for the Greater Baghmara Water Supply Project at South Garo Hills District. Also present on the occasion were PHE Minister Shri Renikton Lyngdoh, MLAs Shri Thomas Sangma, Shri Samuel Sangma and Shri Rakkam Sangma and other dignitaries and invitees. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that the water supply project would go a long way in providing potable drinking water to residents of Baghmara and 16 adjoining villages. He further added that this project is a promise fulfilled by the MDA government to the people of South Garo Hills after there has been much neglect to the district as far as developmental works are concerned. He also stated that completion of the project in the district would be regularly monitored by the government.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, will now unveil the flag to lay the foundation stone for
Ya project actually 2022 will show 50 years celebration ni somayo ya project ko nga inaugurate ka na songinga uni ka manahad tamatsa actually PHE department ni plug officer ko aro PHE department ni contractor jian ya kamu ka gensum masakan su na bolas kinga gisa ka tong merchant na sumang takke kam ka ya project ko tarake machodat na tothong ka go yani total sugumag funding ko singa manaha unigaman funding ni Shillong Jawa and the batchni implementation aro kamosa pangchaking epengay ko akanon na sumang sa kantin uya riyaga pa busik tam ni gisepo yan ang ni 5th visit talo Baghmara no inga aro iba sa ngantian may ba dutang development program na ko sinarakay na South Garo Hills District ko baka silang neglect ka.
Also speaking on the occasion was Meghalaya PHE Minister Renikton Lyngdoh, who said that water, which is a source of life, would also sustain projects such as the Swachh Bharat mission and other projects related to maintenance of cleanliness.
Because they said whether inauguration will happen or not. They put that question, whether inauguration will happen or not. But my dear friends, we are determined. We are determined to complete this scheme on time. And that will happen when you all work together. When you all are part of solution if there is problem anywhere. My friends, I want to request you once again. Let us not be a part of trouble, but let us be a part of solution. Let us be a part of solution to solve where our problem arises, to implement the scheme, to execute the scheme. And I hope by working together, everybody, we wish to see that the scheme will complete on time, and that we will see that each and every household, each and every family will have a water tap connection in your family, in their home.